Is your VW Jetta key fob not working? The most common issue is a dead battery. For 2011 to 2017 Jetta models, you'll typically need a CR2032 battery. First, locate the key blade on your fob. Insert the key into the slot at the base of the fob to reveal a seam. Gently pry open the case using a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to avoid damage. Be careful, some cases are glued shut. If it's stuck, use a hairdryer on low heat for 30 seconds to soften the adhesive. Note the battery orientation, positive side up, remove the old battery, and insert the new CR2032. Snap the case back together. It's a simple fix that can save you a trip to the dealer. If the new battery doesn't solve the problem, first ensure the battery is correctly installed with the positive side up. If the remote still isn't working, try cleaning the battery contacts with rubbing alcohol. A common issue is a stuck case due to adhesive. Use gentle heat to soften the glue before prying. If the fob unlocks the car but doesn't start it, resync by turning the ignition on and off 5 times while holding the fob near the start button. If problems persist, the fob might be damaged or need reprogramming. DIY fixes succeed 85% of the time, but persistent issues may require professional help or replacement.